Hadian bakadan kejekren ya khana beki langut ki MLA jong kaseng Kongres kin saring ko no shen che kaseng NPP mentakasngi nakaliang ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC kalalum ya kajingalang jong baro ki MLA ban ya kren shai ya kate kajingkam bakin mi kadai ka bashisha ni tangka khubor hamsaya haba keren cikilat pathai khubor hadin balawai kajingalang Presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC Bah Vincent Pala ulaong hakani kajingalang na pedeng kilangot ki MLA tang uwei ubuan mi katau MLA ka umsning Dr. C Lingdo kat baki wei pat kim syamlawan mi satya sya kajingalang ulaong banakaliang ka parti kalapan ya ka report halor kani na kinong yalam na ki block level bat ki district level halor kani ka kam bat ulaong palada kadai ka bashisha ka parti kan shim na kisin jam ki bating e ya kinu ki MLA ki batmu badring ko asya ka wei pat ka parti Ubak pala ulia tho bau MLA jang ka Congress na umsning Dr. Celestine Lingdo ula pala bakala dan shisha ka jingkro jong ka NPP ya ki MLA ka Congress Henry Hadu Menta kim palala satya ban shem ya ka rai Shushu ubak pala ula kentu ya laki jong ki MLA bakim day bangat haka jing riam bala pen upshrip da ka NPP bat kenok ru baka jing temu jong ka NPP bat ke BJP ka long tang ban pentron bet ya ka Congress Meghalaya.
Today we had a meeting, a normal meeting, because as you have seen, it came up in the news that few members are likely to go. So then we had a meeting and we invited those members also. Among those 3 MLAs who are ready to go, Dr. Bomb came and briefed us. He said that we are not going as on today. We are still thinking. There was offer from the NPP for lots of development schemes. For example, they offered them blocks, they offered them roads, they offered them so many things to join with them. But he said that they have not decided. So that's why he came, he briefed us. And Salen has told him that so many blocks has been promised, so many blocks has been sanctioned, but on ground reality nothing happens. They have laid so many foundation stones in Karo Hills, so many schools, hospitals. They have not done, even the existing, they have not done. How do you expect that they'll give you a new one? And Barani argued that these promises are always to the opposition, and they always try to screw the opposition by trying to lure them with schemes. Otherwise, the opposition will always be left high and dry. They don't give the rights. So the government of the day is not like before. Nowadays, the government is very arrogant. The government is very corrupt. The government is trying to finish the other parties by the illegal money which they have got from drugs, the illegal money which they have got from the illegal coal mining, from the manipulation of the contract works. So many things as you have seen. As on today, it starts even up to the transfer and postings and all. So with that money, they are trying to get our people. So we appeal to our people that don't fall into the trap, because if you have seen last time, 17 MLAs all left the Congress, and how many of them came back? 70% of them lost elections. More than that, they lose their face. The party also lose our ground. So if they go, it's not for the interests of the NPP or the ruling and the BJP, because out of 60, they already have 47 with them. So they don't need the Congress, but only to disgrace. There's a very desperate move by the BJP, NPP to destroy the Congress. They know that the sentiments of the people are with the Congress now, not only in the state, but all India level. They think by taking the MLAs with them, by trading the MLAs with them, they will destroy us, especially for the Kamligri election and the MDC election. But we give a warning to the MLAs that stern action will be taken to all of them if they do that. At the same time, I think they are thinking. So we do our job and will not spare anyone. We will take a stern action against any one of them. We will not spare them. There's no questions that the Congress is soft or the president is not taking decisions, because I was away to US because my daughter is working in US, and then I went there to see her, accommodation and everything. But we did not take action because based on press or based on others. But now we've got a report from the blocks. We have taken report. We called them. So I thought, as a president, as leader of opposition, as an MP, we all here, we should listen to them. So we should be not only loyal to our party, we should also be fair to our member, give them a chance by listening to them. That's why we have not taken action so far. So now I think since we have given them a request and appeal, so let's see what they say, and then they'll come back to us. We'll try to meet 2 other more MLAs also. If they're willing, we're ready to meet. Otherwise, we do our own job. Definitely. I think if you listen carefully, I stated that we are immune to this. We have seen how many people left, and we didn't spare anyone who left the party we didn't spare anyone. So we told them whatever we have done before, the same action will be taken to them. The party has a set of rules. The party has a set of practice. The party is always will maintain the same discipline. Will not do to this law differently and that differently. We'll take action based on the reports on the ground also. We have got the reports from the blocks, we've got a report from the district, so definitely we'll do that. So they confess that they have decided, but to us, they have not conveyed that message. And through Dr. Bom, they said that they have not yet finalized, but they're still thinking how to do it. So why not give them a fair chance to do that?
So you can say that party will take strong.
Definitely, no doubt about it.
Okay.